We had made this policy that we will start giving awareness from small levels, starting from school levels till the college and technical places. We are giving awareness about drone and the future. What will be the requirement, so that people can redirect to this industry as well. So that's the future. And if I say for the ground level, people like technical people will want to do more about manufacturing and all, but on ground, the normal Indian citizen want employment. They want jobs right now. So that's the major topic in all the news channels. And this industry is coming with million jobs. So future definitely lies in drones now. So it have a big bright future.
I think also like with a lot of technological innovations, there's always a fear in the economy, right? Like just to give you an example, logistics and delivery, right? There is a fear. It doesn't happen that way. There are new jobs that get created because of technology coming into play, like you rightly said. While there'd be jobs of drone operators that come into play, there'd be jobs in the manufacturing of drones that come into play, right? So I think that's a very interesting start. I would just move on to the manufacturers, and any of you who want to take this up in terms of, I think Mr. Rahul mentioned about cost competitiveness of the Indian manufacturers, and first and foremost, we'd like to understand in terms of global competition, right? Where do we lie in terms of cost competitiveness, and what's the way ahead of this?
All right. To answer this particular cost competitive, what is